talked about matching and mirror and certain things like body language, but let's talk about something that's even more important, because in many times we have to build this kind of rapport when we are in a conversation by phone or by video, and some things are kind of more difficult. So voice qualities are one of the most important things that you can actually pace to be able to lead. So if you think about it, there are many qualities of a person's voice that you could think of and try to match what they're doing in a way that makes them seem familiar and helps you build rapport. And I'm talking about qualities like the tone of a person's voice, or the speed of a person's voice, speech, or their accent, or the volume. Like if somebody's a very loud talker and you are a very quiet talker back to them, you're going to have such a mismatch that is going to be hard for you to really understand each other and kind of gel. But if you are the flexible communicator that you want to be, and the person is a very loud talker, hey, like that, and you want to communicate well with them, even if you're a soft speech kind of person, you can start that communication by being a loud talker and then slowly bringing the person down to the level that you feel is more comfortable for you. So that's what pacing and leading is all about. So think about all the different qualities that a person's voice has, like a very fast talker as well, or the tone, or if somebody kind of sings a lot, or if somebody is very actioning with their hands, then you can do the same kind of thing, and that is going to help you build rapport. Building rapport is the building block, the most basic building block of all communication, especially when you want to influence a person to want to do something that you want them to do. And that is in many cases, right? You want to influence your kids to pick up their clothes. You want to influence, your boss to give you a raise. You want to do things like that are going to work much better if you are able to have the kind of rapport that makes the other person feel as if they can let their guard down to talk to you.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.